So anyways, let's get down to the nitty-gritty.
Hey, welcome back. Burned some midnight oil and just trying to finish up with taking off these, I'll just show you, how about that, huh? Pulling all these, it's with the Milwaukee ratchet, 12 volt. It's not the brushless. The reason why I went with this one is just because it was a little more sleek. Like, it felt like it could get into narrower places or just tougher spots. So the other one's a little bit bigger right here, and I don't know, I just like the, and honestly, I liked it black. The other one was like silver, so, and it was more money. I can't remember how much this one was, but it's been great for what I've used it for, so. Sweet. Thanks. I got a lot more to do. Bye.
You gotta be kidding me. Everything you just said is my favorite thing to do every day.